Hello everyone, Sriram here from Sri Learning. We have a good success story today. It's becoming a little delayed these days to get a certificate from PMI. So we have a bunch of success stories waiting in the line. What happened is PMI consume these days 10 days to issue certificate. People get a little frustrated. Man, did I clear PMP? Did I make any mistake? They started calling the call centers. Hey, what's happening? What's happening? Where is my certificate? They say only one answer: calm down, wait. Beyond that, they won't answer anything. So if anybody waiting for the certificate, don't worry. Until you see yourself cleared, pass in Pearson side, you are good. That's it. The moment you say congratulations, stay happy, enjoy. PMA will come back to you. Sometimes they send an email to you. Sometimes you have to go to the dashboard and check is the certificate available. So in that case, today we have Ninad Bhagat with us, who cleared PMP on June 8th. Okay, that's what had happened. He's most successful project manager in the healthcare IT segment. Healthcare is very important in the industry now. It's vibrating in that he is in the IT segment. First, we want to give congratulations to him. Great achievement, Bhagat, for your PMP.
Hey, Sriram, thanks a lot. Thank you so much.
Great. With your permission, what I do is I'll bring your certificate to show to the people that, hey, he's PMP certified. Here it goes. Here it goes. Great. So, Ninad Bhagat, how long you waited to see your certificate?
Sriram, it took around 8 days. I appeared for the exam on 8th, and on the 15th, I received my certificate.
Okay. So, how much you are eager? How many times did you reach PMI center, or you are so cool?
Actually, I was checking the website daily. Then I
Really?
called their India helpline number, and I
Uh-huh.
spoke with one of the service desk resource, and they told me that it will take around 7 to 10 days.
Uh-huh.
And I was like, okay, fair enough. Then I received an email from them
Uh-huh.
that it will take 7 days minimum working days, so wait for it. Then I became calm, but I continued to check daily on PMI website whether it has come or not.
I used to tell this is something like a love proposal. After you propose her, he or she, you keep watching. Is it sign working out? What is
True.
happening next?
That is the situation. No, sometimes I also like kept on doubting whether I have really cleared my exam or not. But
So
then
what
I used to
happened?
go and visit the Pearson site and check. Okay, they are showing you passed.
Yeah.
So that was a reliever.
Yeah. Another thing, what will happen is if the certificate getting delayed, we will start recollecting what all mistakes did in the exam hall. Did I
True.
did that? Did I see something? Did I do something? Did they disqualify me? All doubts
True.
will come.
True.
So only ask to everyone is once you see congratulations, that's it. Just wait for
Right.
it. But but if anybody use malpractice to clear the examination, PMI is revoking the certificate. It's okay.
Correct.
I'm talking for the people who are trying in the short route. There are some short routes. Hey, pay me this, I'll get you a certificate. Money also gone, certificate also gone.
Certificate also. True.
Recently, PMI revoked hundreds and hundreds of certificate. They found the pattern. They have a logical system. They find the pattern. If somebody writing exam with a malpractice, it's
Yeah.
revoking the certificate. So that's happening. Just for information. Okay, with
Okay.
that, let's push that negativity. Let's go to positivity. So great job you did now.
Thank you.
First, before go to the your way of preparation, talk a little about background. Where you come from? What is your nature of job?
So Sriram, as you mentioned, I'm handling projects into healthcare IT. I am part of an organization which does deployment of electronic health records. So I've been in this role since last 6 years, and PMP was a goal that I wanted to achieve since then. Uh, Last November, my manager, from whom I report, completed his PMP,
Hmm.
and he got guidance from you, and that's how I came to know about you. And from that day itself, it became my aim that I have to clear PMP. But
Okay.
because of the change in syllabus, obviously I did not go for the exam before December. I thought
Okay.
let me wait, let me take your classes
Hmm.
and then try to achieve PMP in 2021. So
Nice.
you did a couple of sessions, I think, in December to give some details about how the new pattern of PMP will be. So I was following those, as well as I became a part of your WhatsApp group. So used to get daily questions and updates about how 2021 exams are going on. So that was one of the accelerators that assisted me into achieving this
Got
big
you.
milestone of my career.
Got you. So your PMI, or your project manager did PMP with us, and I believe, I mean, they set a goal for you, telling that this next quarter or next half yearly you have to achieve PMP, or it is a personal drive. You thought you
Uh,
want to go for it.
See, it is a personal drive, obviously, but the my manager was also pretty much encouraging me as well as all our team members that this
Nice,
is
nice.
already, you know, you have the knowledge, but having this credential will also make your profile stronger.
That's
So
good,
that
right?
was one of the reason
That's
for
good.
driving for PMP. Yeah.
Seriously, a good, Bharat, there are many managers don't want their team members to get certified. And top of that, if you have a manager who says go and do that, really,
Right.
you got a, not a manager, you got a leader.
That's absolutely true. Yeah. And many
Right.
of my other colleagues also did PMP, so they were also an inspiration to target this.
Very
So
good.
all together was a mixture which kind of driven me to achieve this goal.
Nice, nice. So we understood the engine fire where it started. Very good. So now
True.
tell me, I think you are from April 2021. You started the preparation.
That's correct, Sriram. I attended your April 2021 batch.
Okay.
Actually, I attended it a bit late. Your
Ah,
batch had started already, and 2 weeks later, I joined the batch.
okay.
Rahul was so helpful. He provided all the recordings from earlier sessions. So I
Nice.
took like two complete nights to complete those recordings, and then the third week onwards, I started attending your lecture.
You
So
want you want to say that you listen the recording and over the night?
That's correct. Yeah, I had to listen around 16 hours of recording because there were I had missed two weeks of earlier classes, right? So
Nice. Nice.
my actually my shift timing is from 2:30 to 11:30. So after completing my shift at 12 o'clock, I used to spend that time completing those recordings,
Wow, wow, wow.
and
Look,
then
look at
I
the
started attending.
commitment. Look at the commitment you have. See, people can't watch a movie after some time in the night, but you're watching video recording of PMP.
But that was useful, I'll say.
Yes, yes. See, I keep telling that, right? You have to invest some time on yourself. I think you did that very well. Super. Happy, happy for that. So you listen to that, and April batches, you listen to all the classes.
Correct.
And how your study process started? When the class is going, you started reading, or post the classes, you start reading?
No, actually, I had started reading PMBOK from almost December onwards, but never got that complete, I'll say, a flow of reading it. I used to read few pages and used to get bored, okay, frankly speaking.
Okay.
And earlier I started reading it through online, but then I realized this is not helping me. I'm a person who need to take notes and
You want a
mark
book?
on the note. So what I
Yeah.
did once I was just searching through Amazon and I got a good offer on PMBOK.
Very
So
good.
I immediately ordered it. I got it delivered in December, but
You got that. You got that big pillow.
yeah, the big pillow. But that was worth it. Okay, that was worth
Got it.
investing in it instead
Right.
of doing that online reading. I
Right.
took it. I started reading. Uh, I think, but I could not complete it reading even till March. So even 3 months had gone away, but I was not able to complete it.
Okay.
So in April, I made it a thought that I have to complete this by by any ways, and that was when I also made sure I attend your classes and completed side by side.
That's pretty good. Pretty good. So since you are reading for a while and listening the classes, was it able to connect it? Is a bridge happening?
Absolutely, Sriram. Like you were giving pointers that say this is the portion. So out of this, you can try to connect with this specific chapter in PMBOK. So the day you used to complete one part in your lecture, I used to go and read the corresponding PMBOK
Wow, wow,
portion.
wow,
Right. So I
wow,
could
wow.
correlate it.
Cool, man. So you should be a first bench student from school days. Am I right?
No, not really.
See, in my college days or school days, teachers tell me to read, but we read only the day before the exam. But you are the person when the class is happening, you're reading it. Look at the way you are. Huh?
Right. Actually, the inspiration behind this was my wife, Sriram. She's
Oh,
actually actually a medical student, and she was also appearing for some exam at the end of March. And
wow.
for her exam, she had 12 books like ping box, which she had to cover. So she used to laugh at me. You cannot complete one book since last 3 months. Look at me, I covered 12 books. So I took it as a determination, and it was like I have to complete this.
It's a shame.
Otherwise,
Shame, man.
same. True. So she was pretty much an inspiration to complete the Pembok book as well as Rita. So Pembok took me around 4 months to complete, but Rita I was able to complete in almost 3 to 4 weeks time, and the inspiration came from there as well.
God's sake, man. 12 books like Pimbok she has. She's an MBBS?
She's an MD actually. She's a surgeon. So they have their master books are like these big reference books, 600, 700 pages. So
I keep telling, right? I keep telling PMP is a professional certificate, right? Profession. The word profession is very important. Doctors are also profession. Some people ask me, Shivam, can I memorize ITTOs? Can I do you want a doctor memorize and come and do surgery for you?
so
So I
that
think your
will be a
wife,
disaster. Right.
but that's a real tough dialogue, man. Huh? I can read 12 books. Can't you read one book? Wow.
That was the inspiration, Sriram. Absolutely.
Are you sure that word inspiration is correct?
Yes, I'll say. See, I know it's an insult come inspiration, but it did inspire me. So,
That's good. That's good. Really, really, it's inspired. I like it. I like the way you got the
uh,
inspiration. Very good.
right.
So now I got this idea about your background, got the idea about the book stuff. Now, how you plan your exam date? When you thought that I can go for exam, what was your idea?
See, I had one thing in my mind. I had to complete my exam by end of May. The reason being, my kid had his annual leave for 1 month, starting from 1st of April till 9th
Ah,
of June. So,
okay.
what happens is because of my wife's profession and me being at home, I'm the one who takes his school. Because of his school, I cannot put in that time for my studies. So
Right.
I knew that if I have this 1 month, I have to crack it. Because if
Right.
I lose this 1 month, again once his school starts, I cannot do my PMP. So this was the 1 month when I decided I have to take the exam by any ways before 9th of June. So what I did was I approached Rahul and I checked with him if I can start attending your lectures. I know already I've missed 2 weekends, but he said absolutely you can go ahead. You just have to do the recordings that we already have for the earlier lectures.
Right.
So that's what I took, and I made my mind that I have to complete it within a month. So I completed your session by I think 15th or 16th of May, and after that I again contacted you and you guided me. Don't book your exam immediately. First take few mock exams and go through few things. So thanks a lot to you and Rahul again, because you guided me through this complete journey, like when I should take the mocks, when I should book my examination. So
Great.
after discussion with you, after getting my mock scores to the right level, I became confident, and then I went ahead and booked my exam for 8th of June.
I would appreciate it. Thanks for listening. Because see, there are people to give inputs, but somebody has to listen,
Correct.
right? Why should I listen to you? So thanks for listening.
Correct.
But what I found with you, Nina Bhagat, you have a lot of inspiration, right? One side, wife is giving some inspiration. Other side,
Correct.
if son is having a school leave, that is an inspiration to get close within that time and boundary is set for you. You have to
Correct.
handle a
Correct.
lot of enterprise environmental factors. Huh?
True.
Uh,
True. I'll say that, yes. Yes.
Good. You're a good father in that case. You are able to balance things well. I appreciate it. Okay.
Yeah.
Now, you said Pimbok, you said Rita, and your reading habits. Will you read at least 3 hours, 2 hours per day, average?
That's correct. Yeah, that's correct, Sriram.
That's average. Saturday, Sunday, you will hit heavily.
Yes, Saturday, Sundays were like 8 hours a day. Obviously, with break, could not sit continuously. That engineering habit has gone now. Cannot sit for long hours. But yeah,
That three idiots dates are gone.
absolutely, absolutely.
Okay, coming back. There is a big question for many of them. Sriram, I'm reading. When I go to third chapter, I'm forgetting the first chapter. When I go to eighth chapter, I don't remember the third chapter. I'm sure you too have that kind of problem happened.
Same.
But if you want to say something about that, What do you want to say?
So Sriram, the thing that I did when I completed one first chapter, like say chapter number 4 from integration, so I used to mark specific paragraphs which I thought are important from an understanding point of view. I used to
Ah,
complete that, and
ah,
then I used to go back to those paragraphs and take notes, so
wow.
that it used to become a refined document. So now I have got these many number of notes with me, which are specific to uh, specifically for each chapter. So they kind of become a filter of the chapters. Okay, so these notes were the ones which I referred on second last day of before my exam. So this was kind of a planning that I did, because same was the technique I used to do during my engineering days. I was not able to do it initially, but I realized, okay, this is something I had an habit during engineering, so I started following that
Nice.
now during PMP as well.
Knowledge always helps us, huh? Give some idea
Correct,
what to do.
correct, correct.
I like that idea. So the people who listening this video, first of all, thanks for listening to this video, because you are coming here for some success story. Appreciate it. And again, I believe you got this idea with Bhagat, what he is mentioning. I'm hearing from many students that, Shriram, I'm reading, it's so big book. If you go to 100th page, I forget the first 10 page. So what he is mentioning is note on the key things. And also he has a habit of having a book and highlighting with the colors. Also, I found one thing is when you write it down, when you mark it, your brain connects well. Even one more time, you just stand there and flip some pages, your brain can connect it faster. Okay, that's a
Correct.
really good thought. Good thought. Okay, good. So after you take a practice test, do you analyze the question?
Yes, so Serum, I took around 6 mock tests. The first mocks, I actually started with the 40 questions that we do on Saturday in C learning. Okay, so
Nice.
on the first exam, I did not pass. I only got 60 odd answers, and when I completed the exam, there's a statement that comes, "You failed." So it uh, so it did hurt me that even after studying so much, I'm seeing this statement. So I made my mind. You have to analyze this very well. So
Right.
first two exams of 40 questions, I did improve. But then what I decided, let me take a complete mock at Sriram Learning. So Sri Learning, I did take that first mock, and in that I got around 78%. So I saw
Very
that pass, and it was good. And then I started analyzing the questions which I did wrong, as well as which I did right, because few questions which I did right were I'll say I did not answer them confidently. So
right.
getting that was very important. So
Right.
that built my confidence. So I took around 2 learning mock exams. Then
Mhm.
I had a discussion with you one day. I think it was end of May. How should I approach going forward? So you told me, go ahead for Prepcast if possible. Take exam 3 and 4. So
Mhm.
in last week of May, I think I took Prepcast exam 3 on a Saturday or a Sunday,
Okay.
and I took four complete days to analyze it, because Prepcast gives you very good details about what are the right answers and why this specific answer is correct and
Right.
other answers is wrong.
Right.
So analyzing that, what I realized, okay, few areas I need to brush up from PIMBOK as well as Rita
Mhm.
after I analyzed Prepka. So I took down notes question wise, where I thought I need to brush up, and then after completing, I was referring those pages and reading through those specific lines. So it
Perfect.
gave me confidence and improved on my knowledge. What I think is, first time when you read, you just keep on reading to understand the concept, but when
Correct.
you read second or third time
Right.
in small areas, you get that concept clearly, and then you can correlate those concepts with other areas also. So with all this type of analysis, it did help.
Makes
And
sense.
finally, you also asked me to take study hall. So
Mm.
I did take study hall exam, one study hall exam,
Mm.
and that was specifically to understand the PMP language.
Language.
Study hall is good to understand the language, but I think they are not up to the mark, because the way they explain the answers, or the way also they keep a track of questions, is pretty difficult. What they do is they see how many questions you have answered, and they give you the percentage, so you don't know on which question you are while taking the mock. So it's difficult.
Yeah.
I cannot keep on calculating how much percent I have completed out of
Yeah.
100.
PMI
So
has to improve in that area. They are I think it's a beta version, but as you rightly said, we have to go to that exam only to understand the language part.
Absolutely.
Very good, very good. Happy to know. Happy to know that Saturday exams are helping you. That's nice. That was good. See, we are conducting the Saturday exams every Saturday. The reason is to bring up the confidence level. But you say that the moment you saw you failed, you felt, man, let me investigate this.
Correct. But that's how I think I improved because of those mock exams that I did at Sri Learning.
Nice. Good. Let's good. Super. Nice. Now let's go to the main game area. Is it a center-based or proctor exam? I think your internet has got frozen.
Oh, sure.
Good. Now again. Yeah. Okay. Now I was just talking about, is it a proctor-based or center-based exam?
So Sriram, I took a center-based exam.
How come the lockdown opened quickly? Went on?
So Sriram, I took a center-based exam because I had this habit of reading questions loudly, and I had heard from your previous success stories that if it's a proctor-based, they do stop the exam and they give you warning. So I just wanted to avoid that. And obviously, the internet is also an issue. So I did not want any kind of impediments coming in while taking the exam.
We don't know when the laptop will react. Today your laptop showed you some fun, and today your mobile internet also showing some fun. so
Correct.
We don't know, right, when things will go bad. Okay, it's a good choice. But tell me, are they asking to wear the mask in the exam center?
Yes, Sriram. We have to wear the mask full time. In my exam center, they did not even allow to wear the shoes. So they were pretty clear. So you cannot even take your shoes in.
I don't understand. Remove the shoes or wear the shoes?
Remove the shoes. We are not allowed to even wear the footwear.
Fine, but it is
I'm not sure.
Air-conditioned room. You'll feel more cold if you don't wear shoes and.
They allowed to wear socks. So I'd heard from one of the success stories of Pushkar. The same thing, that it's pretty cold, and I did experience that. So I took a permission if I can wear my socks, and they did allow, and it did make a difference, right? Yeah.
No, usually in exam center you'll feel cold. The reason is, one is you are a little nervous. Okay, the exam is going on. You will feel the cold. It's also only 4 people will be inside the room. 2 AC will be running. You will feel the chillness sitting there, right? When I went to exam, I took a thick shirt with a full arm and a tight jean I was wearing so that it was pretty comfort. Still, I felt cold. I'm talking years back. So that's the situation. Okay, tell me some more thing. Are they asking to remove any ornaments, watch, or
nothing? You're not allowed. Yeah.
You had to remove it out.
You're not allowed to wear anything.
Okay, great.
Yes, and in our case, what he did, I was wearing a full sleeves shirt. So he asked me to roll up the sleeves and check if I have written anything or not.
That they do.
Collars, that was also checked.
Collars. Ask you to take the collars off.
Right.
That they do. Very good.
Correct.
And they check your. Sometimes they check the hair and you have anything inside. Those all they do. Sometimes, not all the time.
All right. They even check my specs. So they had asked me to keep it and. You had advised me, and it did happen.
Do you have any lens inside? They'll check it. Okay. See, in exam hall, only allowed is your dress material and your brain. Rest all to be removed.
True.
Okay, that's a good information. Now tell me about the exam. How you planned your timing? 60, 60, 60. How do you plan your time?
Sriram, I had discussed this a day prior to the exam with you, and you had advised me keep 90, 70, 70. So that was my plan. That's how I wanted to target. But I also had mini milestones in between, like for 20 questions, how much time I'm taking. I was just continuously keeping a track. So in the exam, I had targeted I'll take around 30 minutes for the first 20 questions, then next 30 minutes for the next 20, and a final 60th question it should complete by 90th. So I completed first 20 by around 25 minutes, the next one by 50 minutes, and the overall the 60th question around 80 minutes. I did not take complete 90 minutes for that.
Very good. Very
So
good. That's fine. That's
so
fine.
I
That's
had some buffer time
very
in
good.
between.
But tell me one difficulty. In the exam hall, PMI has put the time clock like 230 minutes and start deducting from there. So
Right.
was it challenging for you in the hall?
See, there was I saw if there is a clock or not around, but there was none in my hall. So I had another strategy of deducting 70 minutes. So I made sure before 150 comes on the clock, I have to complete the first set of questions of 60. So that did happen, and accordingly, I was reverse engineering I was doing. So the next set of questions I have to complete before 75 minutes. So that's how I was keeping a watch on the clock that was there. One of the best things I'll say, Sriram, I missed earlier. If you take a subscription of Study Hall, they do give you a mock environment of how the Pearson VUE exam will appear. So there's a last section in PMI Study Hall. If you take those exam, I think it's a 30 or 25 questions exam in which they will give you the UI of how the Pearson exam will appear. So if you do that, it will give uh, I'll say a dress rehearsal to you. So if you're taking a PMI Study Hall subscription, I'll request everyone just go through that mock exam that Pearson gives you, so it will prepare you with the UI of Pearson.
What's the title?
I think it's PMP mock exam or something. I don't recollect it right now. It's the last one. Is the last in the study material. Yeah, it's not the mock exams, but during the study part only.
So it will look exact like the Pearson exam model. Okay.
Same like the calculator, or even if you have to mark any answer, like you have to cross that answer, everything is there, or highlight specific part. You can try that, so you get the exam feel over there.
That's interesting. That's interesting. Very good. Super. So now what we understood is about your background, your books, your reading habits, your exam you went on. Now, exam questions. Did you felt any specific area that trying to go very deep inside, or was it just what we learned in the classes? Because I'll tell you the problem now. PMI has introduced a content outline. They're given 36 tasks. However, it is books, if you go, still it exists with the 10 knowledge areas. There's a 36 tasks are nothing but a subset of the 10 knowledge areas.
The knowledge.
You cannot go to the book and search where is this task, you can't read like that. You have to read, if I say people, you have to read stakeholder, resource management, communication management. Right?
Communication. Correct.
You cannot search task by task, but you have to read the concept. Now, when you go to exam, 42% of the question going to come in the people. Are you able to attend the people related questions by reading stakeholder, resource, and communication? Were you comfortable? Are you able to do that? Yeah.
Yes, Sriram. So I think during our lectures also you explained which domains correspond to which chapters in PMBOK. So while studying also, while reading PMBOK, I made sure, like, if I'm targeting the people domain, I'll read these three chapters: resource, communication, and stakeholder, and club them together and read it. And it did help me. Yes, if you read these three chapters, you are covering the resource management part of it. Similarly, for process, there were chapters that you told that go through these. This will help. And then first three chapters of PMBOK were, or first three chapters of RITA were also related to the business environment. So that segregation did help.
Very good. Super. Good to know that. So that clarifies a lot of the questions. Thanks a lot. So finally, when it came to last questions, how much of time left out for you remaining?
I had exactly 16 minutes left before completing my last question. So what I did was I had marked few questions while while doing the session. So what I did is I went through the mark questions to answer those again during those 16 minutes. But
Mhm.
finally, when I reached like around 3 minutes before end of the day, I thought it's okay. I've done with this. I don't need to review anymore. It's too much. It's killing. So I just submitted it, and
Yeah.
finally the message came. Congratulations. That was that
Okay.
was
Okay.
important.
You want to talk about the time between submit and the result comes. There'll be a 10 seconds gap. So, okay, that's a crucial time in life. Tell about
True.
your heartbeat by the time the 10
Uh,
seconds.
I I had missed my couple of heartbeats for sure before that came, but finally when that message came, I was relieved. I just joined my hands, prayed to God, and like, okay, thanks. Finally, it's there. So after
Yeah.
finally achieved it. Yes,
Right. Now you can go tell to your wife, I'm also a professional.
that's true.
That's really interesting. Super. Yeah, Bhagat. I know there are a lot of technical glitch on your side also happening on the mobile. Still, you were able to continue with your feedback, how things went
Correct.
on. I appreciate that. So many things we learned. You are a project manager in healthcare, and you have an inspiration of reading managers, and you picked up reading Pembok and also Rita Samposhan, and you are listening the classes simultaneously reading things. You are connecting the dots by writing it regularly and marking it, and you took every Saturday test with the Sri Learning, and from there you also
Correct.
got some idea how to go for the main exams, and you took two Sri Learning full exams, then you went to two
Correct.
Prepcast full exams, you did deep analysis and you found the gap and start filling it, then you went to center based
Correct.
exam, and in center based exam you planned your exam as 90 minutes for first 60, then 70
Correct.
minutes for rest of 260 questions, and you were able to complete, and finally you saw congratulations. Wow, that's an interesting story. Now the last segment, how do you see this is going to be appreciated in your domain when you go for a job? Do you think project management is highly respected? How do you see that?
Yes, Sriram. So I'm seeing the difference, Sriram, after starting studying. So see, in my profession or my job right now, I do interact with other project managers in the US. Okay, and if you see the project managers that are there in the US and the ones we have in India, there is a lot of age difference because in US these are pretty senior guys who have
Right,
completed their PMP or and as well as with experience. So we are
right,
learning with them as well as
uh,
when you talk the project management language they
mhm,
start respecting you as well. I've
mhm,
seen this difference. Okay, after taking the PMP course with you as well as reading through those vocabulary started flowing related to project
perfect.
management, and I can see that difference in the work as well as the way your seniors start discussing with you. Okay,
Nice,
so
nice.
I'll respect with that respect request everyone, just don't do this course as if you have to pass the certification, but make sure you start utilizing this in your day-to-day work also. And
Nice.
what I think is now this becomes my first step towards starting more certifications to take further as well as continue my study. I'll
Nice.
say after my BE and MBA, I had this gap. I could not complete my studies or I did not concentrate much because of the job. But again, because of this certification, I think I will take up new courses, and maybe this journey of learning will continue.
Nice. Good to know. I've seen many people after clearing PMP, the energy level goes high. They started feeling a new life. They started feeling, man, this much of energy is within me. I didn't see that. Right.
Correct. I
Like
agree.
the Spider-Man open the shirt and start jumping out. Something like that. People after clearing PMP, let me jump.
Correct. It's like rediscovering yourself, Sriram. We know somewhere if you have completed your bachelor's, your master's, you have that in you, but with work you cannot put in that much of effort
Right.
into your learning.
Right.
But if you do this, you can sit for long hours studying. You are kind of rediscovering that yourself, which you were maybe 5 years, 10 years back.
Right.
Okay,
Perfect.
so I think
Perfect.
if this energy has come, I think I would love to continue with it with new courses and continue studying.
Nice, nice. Also, I heard that you started implementing. So this is what I keep telling, that the four-letter word in your profession. I hope you remember that four-letter word and the love towards what you do
Love.
on it.
Absolutely.
Great. Keep rocking. And once again, thanks a lot for coming up here and giving this very open story of what all happened. All right. So I'm sure people are listening to this video. Many hundreds of people listen to this video. Not only today. Right? This is maybe 2021. This video will be listened another 4 or 5 years also. They will see, man, somebody has a family, somebody has a job pressure, was able to do that. Even I can also do that. Somebody can sit and listen 16 hours of video recording whole night.
Correct.
So why can't I do
Right.
that? Certain inspiration
Right.
can pick up from yours. Super.
Right.
Right.
It took me 2 to 3 days to complete that 16 hours work, but it was like I have to complete it by any means. It was not a one single night, but yeah.
No, but it's a good job. You did a good job. I appreciate it. Super. Once again, good wishes for your success, and let this
Thanks, Sriram.
be a stepping stone. From here, the leadership grow bigger and bigger, because leadership is an ocean. PMP may be a drop in that. So you have to do a lot. Okay,
Right.
good wishes.
Right.
Great.
And Sriram, let me say these kind of quotes that you used to do during the sessions as well, they did inspire us. Okay, the examples or the videos you used to show about project management during those courses,
Right.
it reminded me of my MBA days, and this is the way we also get involved into learning. So thanks to you again. You have been an inspiration to complete this journey.
Nice. Happy to know that the classes are the place where I see a lot of new leaders emerge. They just come for the class. After listening to the class, something sparked for them. Man, when this guy can do that, why can't I do that? So world is so big. Let's think bigger. Right. That's what happened. Super. Great. Great. Good wishes. And good wishes to all the viewers who are watching here. I know you are on the journey of preparation, or you just started the preparation. So take Nina Bhagat's preparation as a story for yourself. You cannot make Control C, Control V, not possible, because you can take some ingredients from what he did would help you start following that. One thing I would appreciate with Nina Bhagat is the consistency. So he started in the month of December. He was so consistent on reading and things. He didn't give up even though multiple things are happening around him. That is pretty important. I keep telling in the classes, consistency is the only way to win in leadership. If you start dropping the ball, people won't trust you. So start doing that. And good wishes to all the viewers. And we all wish him great success in life. Thanks for coming up here.
Thank you, Sriram. Thanks, everyone. Good day.